Hey, welcome back to the Hopeful Sister YouTube channel with Miss Sarah. Uh, Today we're going to be talking about thesis statements for the college freshmen out there who have no idea what everybody's talking about when we go, oh, what is your thesis? You're like, huh? So this is going to clarify what a thesis is. So let's talk about the first element is really that it has to answer the question. If the professor gave you an assignment and the assignment says, oh, I want a two-page paper on the Civil War, and you can take anything about it that you want to talk about. First, you have to make sure that you're talking about the Civil War and not about slavery or any other related issues, because you want to make sure that you're focused on what your point is. So what is the point should be succinctly answered by your thesis statement, which also should be one sentence, by the way. Your thesis statement is not a whole paragraph. It's one sentence that really succinctly states what you're going to talk about. It is usually at the end of your first paragraph, so you introduce the topic, you talk about the context, like you could say, you could cite the years of the Civil War and what was taking place before then, and you introduce the Civil War, and then you go into your thesis. The thesis statement is not merely stating something. You have to have an argument or a slant or an element of persuasion. So basically ask yourself after you've written your thesis statement, someone reading this, can they agree or disagree with that? If they can't agree or disagree with that because it's a fact or a general statement, then you need to be more specific as to what you're talking about. What does a strong thesis do? It answers the assignment prompt. It gives readers the option or the compulsion to agree or disagree, and is not too vague. For example, the Civil War divided the U.S. That may answer the assignment, but I can't disagree with that because it's a fact. Everyone knows that the United States was not united. It was the North and South, and they went to war. So a Civil War automatically divides things, so that makes it a fact, and you can't agree or disagree with facts. So it has to be an opinion, a slant, an argument. We're getting more specific and not vague when we talk about the North and South were divided because of economic consequences of slavery. Another scholar would be like, no, that's not why they were divided. They were divided because slavery was a moral issue, not an economic issue. So that gives room to agree or disagree. That's a stronger thesis. This concludes our little chat about what a thesis is. Please feel free to check out other videos on the Hopeful YouTube Sister channel.